Okay, class. So we're back again. I've collapsed this column so we just see the balances in each account. Um, and now what we're going to do is start making financial statements. So the first financial statement you make is the income statement. Okay. And this is the way we head it up. We always put the company's name first, the title of the financial statement, and then the date header. And in this case, an income statement covers a certain time frame. So this is for the month ending July 31st, whatever year end you're using. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to start with revenue. The difference between your revenue and your expenses will be your net income. Okay, so I've already put in revenue, and now I'll list my expenses. So we have multiple expenses. We may need to expand this again. And if we look over here, we have rent expense, salary expense, and utility expense. So we can basically list them. And normally what you would do is list them from largest to smallest. So we'll go salary, we'll go rent, and we'll go utility. And then we'll have a total of our expenses at the bottom. Okay, so I got salary of 1260, rent of 500, and utility of 260. Okay, I'll go back and collapse this so we can just see the income statement portion of this thing. Okay, so you want to go ahead and give yourself a subtotal here. So I'll add up my total expenses. Right? And the difference between your revenue and your expenses is your net income. So I can list my net income here at the bottom, usually with a double underline. So 9,600 minus 2020 is my net income. If this net income was negative, we would call it a loss and show it in parentheses. So it would, but in this case, we don't have a loss, we have net income. So if it had been negative, it would be called a net loss. Okay. Okay, we'll come back and work on the statement of retained earnings.